What up everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Marvin, and if you're like me, you've been waiting all year for one thing: summer. That's right, the season of sunshine, good vibes, and epic adventures. And if you're in my neck of the woods, you know that Ontario is basically the VIP lounge of summer destinations. Why? Because we are blessed with some of the most jaw-dropping, absolutely stunning lakes you will ever see in your entire life. I'm talking crystal clear water, endless shorelines, and vibes so good, they should be illegal. So get ready to grab your floaties, your favorite playlist, and your ride or die crew, because today, we are diving headfirst into the top 5 most incredible lakes Ontario has to offer. These aren't just bodies of water, people. These are playgrounds. They're places to make memories, to forget your worries, to turn up the music, and just live your best life. Whether you're looking to chill out and soak up some rays or go full-on party mode with your squad, I've got you covered. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be packing your bags and texting your friends, "Yo, we need to go here," like yesterday. We're about to explore the best spots for boating, swimming, and just pure, unadulterated summer fun. So smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get this adventure started. This is your official guide to the ultimate Ontario lake experience. Let's go. Alright, kicking things off with a certified banger, we have Lake Ontario. Now don't get it twisted. Just because it's right next to the big city doesn't mean it's all business. In fact, it's the complete opposite. Think of Lake Ontario as Toronto's massive, sprawling backyard pool party, and guess what? You're invited. The energy here in the summer is electric, fam. You've got boats of all sizes cruising by, each one with its own vibe, its own crew, and its own killer playlist bumping across the water. It's a whole scene. Picture this. You and your best friends have your boat for the day. The sun is beaming down, you've got your favorite tunes cranked up, and everyone is just vibing, soaking it all in. You look to your left, there's another boat with people dancing. You look to your right, a group is having a full-on picnic on their deck. It's this incredible shared experience where everyone is on the same page. Have a good time. There's this unspoken understanding that for these few hours the only thing that matters is the sun, the water, and the people you're with. It's pure, unfiltered joy, man. And let's talk about the views, because come on, you've got the iconic Toronto skyline just chilling in the background, making for the most epic selfies you'll ever take. It's this wild mix of urban energy and natural beauty that you just don't get anywhere else. You can spend the day swimming and tanning and then watch the sky explode with color as the sun sets behind the CN Tower. Lake Ontario is proof that you don't have to go far to find paradise. It's right here, and it's waiting for you and your friends to make some noise. Next up, we're heading north to a place that is the stuff of legends. I'm talking about Lake Muskoka, the heart and soul of cottage country. Y'all, if Ontario lakes had a celebrity, Muskoka would be it. It's got that A-list reputation for a reason. The moment you arrive, the vibe just shifts. It's less about the city hustle and more about that classic, laid-back but still a party cottage life. The water here feels different, the air feels fresher, and the potential for fun is literally off the charts. It's where you go to create those core summer memories with your squad. The scene on Lake Muskoka is iconic. It's a constant parade of beautiful wooden boats and sleek modern cruisers, all filled with people who know how to do summer right. The soundscape is a perfect mix of laughter echoing across the water, the upbeat rhythm of a summer playlist, and the gentle roar of boat engines. Every dock you pass has a story. You'll see groups of friends just hanging out, playing cards, jumping into the water, and living their absolute best lives. It's a community built on a shared love for good times and great company. And the energy is contagious. You can't be on Lake Muskoka without a massive smile on your face. You'll be cruising along, and the people on the boat next to you will just wave and cheer. It's all love. It's the kind of place where you can tie up your boats together with another group of friends and create a massive floating party in the middle of a bay. It's about sharing snacks, sharing stories, and just enjoying the moment. Lake Muskoka isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, a whole entire mood. Alright, for our third spot, we're hitting up the lake that's all about accessibility and good times. Welcome to Lake Simcoe, my friends. This is the MVP of summer day trips. It's close enough to the city that you can make a spontaneous decision in the morning and be on the water by the afternoon, but it feels like a world away. Lake Simcoe is like that one friend who is always down for anything. No planning required, just pure, easy fun. It's the perfect escape when you just need a dose of sunshine and water stat. Imagine rolling up with your crew, swimsuits on, cooler packed, and not a care in the world. You get your boat out on the water, find a nice sunny spot, and just drop anchor. That's it. That's the plan. The agenda is to have no agenda. It's all about pure relaxation and fun. You've got your summer anthems playing softly in the background, people are floating on giant inflatable unicorns and pizzas, and the conversation is just flowing. It's the ultimate chill-out zone. But don't get it wrong, chill doesn't mean boring. Lake Simcoe has this amazing, relaxed party atmosphere. It's less about the high-energy craziness, and more about that perfect, sun-drenched afternoon vibe. It's where you lay back on the deck of the boat, feel the gentle rock of the waves, and think to yourself, yeah, this is the life. It's about making the most of a beautiful day, surrounded by your favorite people, with nothing to do but swim, laugh, and work on that tan. Lake Simcoe is the definition of a perfect summer day. Okay, squad, prepare to have your minds blown because our next stop looks like it was straight up copy-pasted from a Caribbean postcard. I am talking about the one, the only Lake Huron. Seriously, the water here is a different kind of blue. It's this stunning, vibrant turquoise that you have to see to believe. When the sun hits it just right, it glows. You'll be looking out from your boat, and you'll have to remind yourself that you're still in Ontario. It's that beautiful. It's a total game changer. The vibe on Lake Huron is as epic as its scenery. Because the water is so breathtaking, it just puts everyone in an amazing mood. It's a non-stop celebration of summer. We're talking boats full of friends, music turned all the way up, and impromptu dance parties breaking out on deck. You'll see people just living in the moment, dancing like nobody's watching with the most incredible blue water backdrop you could ever imagine. It's impossible not to feel happy here. This is the lake you go to for those no-filter needed Instagram stories. Every single angle is a postcard. It's the perfect place to anchor down with your friends, dive into that unbelievably clear water and just float around taking it all in. It's about sharing those good times, laughing until your stomach hurts and making memories against a backdrop so beautiful it feels like a dream. Lake Huron is pure magic, a slice of tropical paradise tucked away in our own backyard. Last, but most definitely not least, we have arrived at the final boss of Canadian lakes. The majestic, the powerful, the absolutely breathtaking Lake Superior. Y'all, this isn't just a lake, it's an inland ocean. The sheer scale of it is humbling. The views are so vast and dramatic they will literally leave you speechless. We're talking towering cliffs, hidden coves, and water so clear and deep it feels ancient. This is the spot you go to for an adventure that feels truly epic and unforgettable. The experience on Lake Superior is on another level. Because of its size and wild beauty, it attracts a crowd that's all about appreciating the moment. You'll find groups of friends in their swimsuits anchored in a secluded bay, with their favorite music setting the soundtrack for an incredible day. It's less about being seen and more about the shared experience of being somewhere truly special. The air is crisp, the sun feels warmer against the cool water, and the vibe is one of pure awe and gratitude. This is where you have those deep talks with your friends, where you watch a sunset that paints the entire sky, and where you feel a real connection to nature and to each other. It's about having an unforgettable summer experience that's bigger than just a party. It's about adventure, exploration, and creating those once-in-a-lifetime memories. Cruising on Lake Superior with your best friends and your favorite songs in the air is a powerful, almost spiritual experience. It's the perfect grand finale to our ultimate Ontario Lake Tour. And that's a wrap, team. From the urban vibes of Lake Ontario to the majestic giant that is Lake Superior, we have covered some serious ground, or, water. How epic were those spots? Ontario is seriously showing off with these lakes, and each one offers a completely unique vibe for you and your crew to create your own perfect summer story. I honestly can't even pick a favorite because they're all incredible in their own way. It just depends on the mood, you know? Sometimes you want the big party and sometimes you want that epic quiet view. But now I gotta pass the mic to you. I wanna know what you think. Head down to the comments right now and let me know which of these lakes is your #1 go-to for summer fun. Or if you have a hidden gem, a secret spot that I didn't mention, share the love. Tell me your favorite Ontario lake stories, your funniest boating fails, your most memorable sunset. I read all the comments and I genuinely want to hear about your adventures. Let's build a whole community of lake lovers right here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and exploring the best of Ontario's summer scene. If you had a good time, please do your boy a solid and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next adventure. We've got so much more travel inspiration and good times coming your way. Until next time, stay awesome, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.